Well, we didn't really film a whole lot last night, but Nick and I made the drive up to Michigan. It's only a couple hours from where we live, and he's hunted here the last 2 years and had good success. So we decided we'll give it a shot. We've already got our Ohio birds. There's not a ton of other seasons that we're interested or with areas that we are familiar in other states. Sure enough, found several good birds and got a couple pieces of permission last night on private land. So right now it's about 4:20 in the morning. We're gonna make about a 20-minute drive and swing it around one of these birds that we got roosted last night. He was out strutting with a couple hens in a field last night, probably about 8:30, 8:35, right before fly up. So we knew he was gonna be in this wood lot. We listened for him to gobble once on the limb and figured probably doesn't make a whole lot of sense not to go after that turkey. So that's what we're gonna walk into this morning, and hopefully everything pans out and we've got some good luck with turkeys right in front of us right from the get-go.
That was a pretty long fly down.
Well, it may have been.
She was further to the left if it was.
And did she come towards us?
No. Dead away.
He just turned and faced us. He's getting ready. Looks like he's gonna fly to our right. Straight at us. To the right.
Yeah, I see him.
Where'd he land?
Huh?
Is he in the field?
No, he's not in the field.
Okay, easy.
You see him?
You see him?
No, I don't.
He did fly towards us, right? He flew towards us, right? I was looking through the camera. What'd that sound like? Cannot believe that they flew away from us. probably at 50. Okay, hold on. Don't wait for us. We're just coming in. Keep an eye to your left. He's coming. Yes, in the wrong area. You are. Am I right in there? Maybe. Just see what happens. Can you see the hands? I can see all the hands. Yeah, good. Come on. Yeah. Not in my camera yet. Oh yeah, I see him. I see him. Let's see what he does. Just let it play out. Just hang tight, Jack. Hang tight. I got it whenever. I gotta be on the swing left, so he's gonna be. Go ahead. Why does that come up? Why does that come up? Do we care about the heads? No. Dude, I've never seen a turkey with a longer beard in my life. Is it huge? I've never seen a turkey with a beard. I think his spurs are like 2 inches. It's a big bird. First out of stater, brother. I cannot believe it. Look at right by the head. What did you do, man? First out-of-stater. What do you think?
I am curious. Hold on. It's showing an inch and a quarter, but those things are curled like...
First out-of-state bird. It's not even 7 o'clock.
No, and I just can't. I mean, like I said to you, I've never heard a turkey gobble that much in my entire life. I never would have imagined that. An hour on the limb of gobbling. I literally counted a sequence of 10 gobbles, and it was every 6 to 7 seconds. He gobbled once every 6 or 7 seconds. That's crazy.
He ain't gobbling no more. You did good.
That's unreal.
Yep.
If you're looking at, that's like an 11-inch beard, maybe more.
Oh my gosh. So we didn't video a whole lot last night, but got to Michigan, built some relationships over the last couple of years with some different landowners, and found this bird in the field at like 8:30. And, you know, so we knew this wood lot here, he was going to roost in there. So I pulled up the landowner information quick. The gentleman lived just about 5 minutes from this property, and when we pulled in, I told Jake, you're not going to believe this, but I asked this guy for permission 2 years ago, and he told me no. But I asked on it about a different piece. He owns a little bit of ground, and I said, you know what, we'll go try anyway. So knocked on his door. You know, it's almost 9 o'clock, which I didn't feel right about, but he ended up answering, and I told him where this bird was, and we were just here for a couple days, just me and my brother, and he said, go get him. So he was just nice as can be, and if it weren't for him, and I know we probably don't say it enough, you know, if it's not for these landowners, these memories don't happen. So extremely grateful to him. And he's also a turkey hunter. He's 75 years old, and he chases turkeys as well. He said, you know, I'm not going, go ahead. There's a result.
Dude, I don't think I've ever had a more fun hunt than that.
That was sick. That was sick.
I haven't killed a bird over. Well, no, I take that back, because I shot that Jake in Butler. I haven't killed a turkey over a field since the very first bird I killed, which was literally a decade ago.
Yeah. Those decoys, they can get you or they can help you. And when those hens flew out here, I was like, they're gonna work.
Yeah.
And as soon as he hit the field edge,
I couldn't believe the hens didn't come over and get curious, because usually at least one of them will get curious and like wonder what's going on.
I'm just glad they kind of just hung around, you know. I thought, man, if they get too far away, we might be in trouble, but
no, it's perfect.
So something I wanted to start doing a little more of is kind of going over setup. Jake and I walked in this morning down this edge, and there's not really a whole lot of good options as far as big trees, but we found this cluster right here, and there's enough that we thought, you know, we could both hide. So Jake got set up here facing out towards the field, and I was set up on this tree facing back towards the field. And we knew from driving this road right out there yesterday or last night, these birds roosted in this woodlot. He was strutting in here last night with his hens, and then we actually heard him gobble in there. But we were a little bit off as far as where he went. We thought he was down in this corner, and he actually was straight across from us. We had our decoys out there, and the hens pitched down to us as you saw, and he came out right over in there.
It's a Larabar.
No.
That's my breakfast. Bless you.
Did you get a turkey?
Come here, I'll show you. Yep.
Dad, did you get a turkey?
Yep.
You got a turkey. Dad, did you get a turkey?
I did.
That's it? Good job, Dad.
Thank you. He's a really big one.
Good job, Dad. Good shooting, Dad.
Thank you.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
Shut up. No. What a morning.
Look at that. Pheasant backs, a turkey, morel.